Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. Also, keep in mind that this is my personal experience with the service. Wisecars.com is a car rental comparison website that allows users to search for and compare car rental deals from various providers all in one place. The site boasts a user-friendly interface, making it easy to navigate and find the perfect rental car to suit your needs and budget. Wisecars claims to offer competitive pricing, and with its extensive network of rental partners, users are likely to find a wide selection of vehicles to choose from. This includes everything from economy cars to luxury vehicles, vans, and SUVs. When searching, you can filter results by car type, price, rental company, and other specific criteria. Wisecars also emphasizes its transparent pricing policy, aiming to display all mandatory fees upfront so there are no hidden surprises when you get to the rental counter. They highlight features like free cancellation and amendments, providing added flexibility to your travel plans. The site also offers customer support to assist with any questions or issues that may arise during the booking process. While Wisecars aims to provide a seamless booking experience, it's important to carefully review the terms and conditions of each rental agreement before confirming your reservation. Be sure to pay attention to details like insurance options, fuel policies, mileage limitations, and any additional driver fees. By comparing offers and reading the fine print, you can ensure a smooth and hassle-free car rental experience. Remember, a little research goes a long way when securing the best deal. Utilizing a platform like Wisecars can simplify the search process and help you find the perfect car for your next trip. Be sure to explore all the options and filter by your specific needs to get the most out of the service. Consider factors like the size of your travel party, the amount of luggage you'll have, and the terrain you'll be driving on when selecting your vehicle. With a bit of planning, Wisecars can be a valuable tool in securing a convenient and affordable car rental. They even offer a price match guarantee, further reinforcing their commitment to competitive pricing. Be sure to check that out if you find a lower price elsewhere.